there. We're about to get into gear in this turbocharged regular season matchup, and I just dare Jim to deny it.
I don't deny it.
That's because you don't dare.
Whatever. Lidstrom. Chelios. Putman. Walker save.
And that's why his teammates always let him ride shotgun after the game.
Chelios. Hull gets away a hard shot. Putman made the brilliant save. Johnson. Shot the puck. Door slammed shut by Legacy.
You can tell he wants the game. Big time.
Emerson. Hard shot. Chartrand shoots. He hits the post. Vishnowsky takes possession of the puck. It's one-on-one. Robitaille grabbed the puck. Putman stoned him cold. Schneider goes around him like he was a marker in a downhill ski race. Palfy fires! He missed! He takes possession of the puck. He scores!
He put that one up in the penthouse.
Detroit goal.
Allison.
By number 20, Luke Robitaille.
Johnson.
By number 91, Sergei.
Allison takes control of the puck. Misses! Devereaux gets hold of the puck. Draper takes it. Detroit has a guy lying on the ice.
Uh-oh.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong. Just this once.
Vishnowsky does a lot more than just slow his man down with this hook.
That most certainly was an obstruction. He hooked him, plain and simple.
Chartrand now with the puck. Slager scoops it up. Robitaille. Fedorov grabbed it. Robitaille grabbed it. Emerson. Laperriere gets the puck. It's one-on-one. Fedorov grabs the puck. Dandino now has it. Iserman kicked out by Putman.
As if he wasn't going to stop that one.
Vishnowsky. Johnson had the puck. Los Angeles puts its third line out. Legacy made the save. Shanahan. Shanahan! And there's a fight going on.
Well, sometimes when you don't have time to stop and chat, a few punches in the head is the best way to put your message across.
He sure can hit.
Yeah, if the boards weren't there, he'd have knocked him into the parking lot.
Detroit penalty.
Belanger. Palfy.
A 5-minute major for fighting. Los Angeles penalty to number 10, Matthew Schneider. A 5-minute major.
Shanahan with the puck. Hull gets checked. Moldry gets in the way. Belanger. Los Angeles puts its second line out. Palfy. Belanger cranks it. Hull got the puck. Grabbed by Los Angeles. Palfy executes a smooth move.
It's like skating on ice, Jim.
Belanger winning ahead of the play. That's offside. Fedorov, he gets pushed.
Last minute of play.
Nelia scoops up the loose puck. Smolinski. Slager runs over Hines. Duchesne takes possession of the puck.
That's the first.
The Red Wings still have a one-goal advantage.
Yeah, Jim, but if they don't start to save face in the face-offs, they might just lose it. Why, Jim? Why?
Because
Okay, let's get back to the game.
Allison. Deadmarch gets checked. Offside. Los Angeles. Palfy. He gives the puck away. Fisher in control now. Legacy slams the door shut.
There's the kind of old-school tending I love.
Datsuk with the puck. Modry has it now. The ref indicates a delayed call against Detroit. Belanger, Legacy, stones him cold.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Shoots the puck. Holmstrom gets called for cross-checking.
If he was sprinkled with pixie dust, he could fly to the penalty box, Jim. But due to our trade embargo with Never Neverland, he'll just have to skate there.
Detroit is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1, penalty kill.
Puckman stoned him. Johnson, heavy shot, saved by Legacy.
Normally you worry about killing penalties, but not this time.
Los Angeles ran out of time on that power play. Holmstrom fired it from the right, blocked. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck. Lidstrom. Shanahan missed the net. Iserman is struggling and seems to be in a lot of pain.
He got a shot to the knee there. Ouch, those hurt. I feel for him. Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it.
Fedorov wins the draw. Slager goes offside and the play is stopped. Fedorov won the faceoff. Dandino, huge save.
Somehow he rewrote the laws of physics on that one.
Potvin hangs on for the whistle. Smolinski, Eloranta took the puck. Smolinski scores! Beauty!
Wow, talk about a perfect trajectory. That man knows his physics.
Detroit now has to live with a game that's all tied up.
But only until they answer with a goal of their own. That's the great thing about this game. Payback is only a quick shot away.
Shanahan turned away by Potvin.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Belanger can't get up.
He seems to be in serious trouble. He's holding his abdomen in pain and it doesn't look good. Yep, his injuries must be serious, Jim. He's heading to the dressing room.
That's sad to see, Don, but who knows? We could still see him back on the ice. Smolinski. Palfy takes the puck. Slager uses his stick in a way it was never intended to be used.
A little cross-check is usually harmless, Jim, but here, obviously not.
Smolinski. Hines had the puck. Los Angeles picks it up. He gets out-muscled.
Smoked him like an Easter ham.
Slager with the puck. Dandino gets it. Detroit takes possession. Robitaille returns it. Chelios dropped. Smolinski grabbed the puck. Lidstrom shoves him. Delayed call against Detroit. Schneider, we have a penalty called. Lidstrom will go to the box for cross-checking.
And we have the results in from our viewer Instapoll. 17% say he deserves the penalty. 8% say he doesn't. And 75% say Don is way cooler than Jim.
Hey, let me see that.
No, you can't. And the nice thing about hockey is that there's no chance of him getting off on a technicality.
Los Angeles with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax. Duchesne. Lidstrom leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. Hines gets hold of the puck. Johnson now with it. Legacy turned the shot aside. Shoots the puck. Legacy made the save.
That's right. He stopped that shot with his big wooden warhammer.
Holmstrom shoots it from the left.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly. Dig those PA tunes.
Let's see what this period has in store for us. LaPerriere, Emerson, now with the puck. Chartron shoots! Legacy, great save! Legacy made the save!
That save, of course, of the buy one, get one free variety.
Holmstrom. McCarty took the puck. Chartron gets a hold of it. Emerson. It's one-on-one. Los Angeles puts its third line out. Fisher takes possession of the puck. He gets laid out. Nemechek scoops up the loose puck. Hines, he gets laid out. Nemechek grabs the puck. Smolinski shoots it. Scores!
When a goal's great, you gotta call it what it is. A great goal.
Detroit looking for a way to go in front.
Being in front is nice, Jim, but right now what they really need is to tie this game back up.
Robitaille takes the puck.
7, Steve Hines.
Fedorov, Miller shoulders him. Modry with the puck. Smolinski. Smolinski shot the puck. Detroit has it. He straight arms Dandino. Johnson, awesome save.
This goaltender has a bottomless bag of tricks. He just keeps pulling them out.
Dandino. Johnson gets hold of the puck. Vishnowski gets laid out. Dandino. Schneider scoops up the loose puck. Emerson. Miller took it. Fires! Saved by Legacy. Fedorov picks up the puck from Legacy. Hull. Fedorov fires it. LaPerriere gets it. Emerson. Detroit touches up for the icing call. Hines. Hammered! Smolinski. Legacy shuts the door. McCarty controls the puck. Los Angeles puts its scoring line out. Potvin made the huge save. Deadmarsh shoots, stoned by Legacy.
Try again later, fellows.
Datsuk. Shanahan fires it hard.
Now, if only he could have hit the net with that.
Fired it. Schneider stops the shot. Johnson gets muscled off the puck. Detroit scoops it up. Chelios. Detroit with it now. Robert. He scores! Top shelf.
A wise man once said, skate softly and carry a big stick.
Detroit pulling out all the stops.
They thought they could get back in this game, and guess what? They could, and they did.
Chartron, the door is shut by Legacy.
Sometimes it all comes down to the man in the net, and this is the twine minder you want.
Nemechek jumps on the loose puck. Chartron fires one right on. Fedorov. If no one scores here, we're looking at an extra period, Don.
Great, another food break. Works for me.
Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Cranked him. Deadmarsh shoots the puck from the right. He misses the net. Johnson scoops. Allison scores. A goal like that really shows you what a player's made of.
And in this guy's case, talent is the main ingredient.
And that one's really deflated this team.
Still time left, though, so anything can happen. What's that? They have under a minute? Yeah, maybe not.
McCarty gives the puck away. Datsuk gets caught offside and play is stopped. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Krupp. Datsuk had the puck. Potvin stones him. Potvin freezes the puck. Detroit is lousy at winning faceoffs.
I agree. They can't seem to get it going.
Johnson. That's it. This one's over. Detroit loses the game.
This team had a hard time generating any offense out there tonight, Jim. They were outshot, and it shows on the scoreboard.
Tonight's third star for Los Angeles, number 21.